Tonight on The Edge, body cam footage changes it all for a man shot in the neck by Detroit police.
A judge saw it and wouldn't accept a plea deal that was given to the man who was shot, saying that the officer should be charged instead. Fox 2 Jessica Dubnak explains how rare this is. Jess, good evening.
Brandon, Taryn, it is important to note that the man who was shot was unarmed. Now, this move by the judge so rare, the attorney in this case says she's been practicing criminal law for 18 years and never has this happened. We want you to take a look at this footage.
Get out the car! 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 Get out the car!
And when he goes to put his car in park, his car kind of goes forward. The officer's on the side. He has his gun out when he tells him to get out of the vehicle, and he starts shooting. And he shoots my client and strikes him in the neck.
Get out the car! Get out the car!
Bloodied, behind the wheel, 29-year-old Brandon Owens shot in the neck by a Detroit police officer on Detroit's east side in October 2023. His attorney, Dion Webster Cox, says he was a spectator at an illegal street race when DPD broke it up. The officer behind the trigger explains his version.
He immediately started driving towards me, hit my leg. That's when I started shooting.
But Owens' attorney says he was trying to comply when his car rolled forward. Ultimately, Owens was charged and given a plea deal in exchange for no jail time. Then it was time for sentencing in front of Wayne County Circuit Court Judge Lawrence Alassal.
The judge in that matter, he read the report and was outraged by it, outraged by the entire thing, and saw the video and was just outraged and would not accept the plea. In fact, he says, it's the officer that should be in front of me, not this man.
Judge actually said the officer was acting like a cowboy. It's an incredibly rare move. Wayne County Prosecutor's Office appealed. The Court of Appeals overturning Judge Alassal's decision, saying the judge was too emotional. And now the case will likely go to trial for a jury to decide after seeing this video.
It proves that there was an officer who was pretty much just trigger happy.
DPD did an internal review of the officer's actions, and he was given a 45-day suspension for unnecessary use of force. The officer appealed that suspension, but no decision has been made there.
Well, Jess, a lot to unpack here, but we want to ask you about the victim. What is going on with the victim? Civil cases, injuries?
Sure.
What happens next?
So he was shot in the neck, very serious injury. He was in the hospital for some time, has recovered, no serious long-term issues there. Now, in terms of a civil case, remember that officer was not charged, so they are going to go after the officer and DPD in a civil suit that has already been filed. I asked the attorney that she lets us in on that so we can keep tabs.
Jessica Dubnak, we appreciate it. Thank you.